Okay, we are going to do page 31. Count and tell how many are in each set. Write the number. Compare the numbers. Circle the number that is less. The ones that's less, okay? The ones that has a smaller amount. So count and write the number. Count and write the number. Which one has less? Okay? Which one has less? Circle the number. Do the same thing for number 2. Count how many counters there are. Write the number. Count how many counters there are. Write the number. Circle the number that has less. Okay? Less. The ones that has a smaller amount of counters. Then you're going to go to the next page. You are going to mark under the number that is less than the number of counters. Less. There are 1, 2, 3 counters. Which number is less than 3? Is the number 2 less than 3? The number 3 less than 3? The number 4 less than 3? Or the number 5 less than 3? Do that on your own. Now look at number 2. Trace the number. Trace the number 3, okay? How many counters would you place in the 5 frame to show that number? Find the one that has the same amount of circles as that number you just traced. Fill in the circle below. When you're done with that, look at number 3. Count how many birds. Mark under your answer. How many birds are there? Count them. Find the number that shows how many birds. Okay, go to the next page. Write how many cubes there are. How many cubes are there? Write the number. Model a cube train that has a number of cubes greater than that number. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. You will write the number 4, okay? Then when you're done with that, you are going to write, a cube train that has a greater amount than 4. I'll give you an example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a greater amount than 4. So you'd write 4 here because there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you'd write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. Then look at number 2. How many cubes are there? Count them. 1, 2, 3. Write the number 3. Model a cube train that has a number of cubes less than 3. So you would write less. 1, 2, okay? Because look, that can connect, that can connect. Oh, they have 1 less. So you would write the number 2, okay? Go to the next page. You are going to, which cube train has a number of cubes greater than 3? There's 1 cube here. 2 cubes, 3 cubes, 4 cubes. Which one has a greater amount of cubes? Fill in the circle below. Numbers 2 through 3. Trace the number. How many counters would you place in the 5 frame to show that number? You have the number 5. Find 5 circles. You have the number 2. Find 2 circles. Okay? And then you will stop there.